Hello friends! How to make Italian Brainrot memes on your computer and phone? Let's find out. First, we need to generate an image. Go to any image generator you like. I'll be using the generator from ChatGPT. Type in this prompt. We ask to generate a square image. That's 1:1. If you want a vertical rectangle, write 9:16. In parentheses, we specify the image style, and after the parentheses, we ask to use the style of the picture we upload as a sample. Generate it. Great! Our platypus bus is ready. Download it. Next, go to 11 Labs to create that iconic voice. I'd appreciate it if you register using my link in the video description. Then click the plus sign next to the Voices button. Click on Instant Voice. Upload your voice here. You can download it from any Brainrot video using Cobalt tools and upload it here. The background music will be cleaned automatically. Then save your voice. Choose English language and Italian accent. Let's listen to the result.
A garden of dreams blossoms with endless possibilities.
Now we need to write the script. Use lots of exclamation marks and caps. It makes the text more emotional and funny. Generate and download the voiceover.
Platypus bus bus bus! Questo ornitorinco sos sta portando I piccoli anatroccoli a scuola proprio dentro di sé.
To edit the video on a computer in Adobe Premiere Pro, we need to download an explosion effect. You can do that by searching on YouTube with these tags. Download the video using the mentioned Cobalt tools. Import all files into your project. Follow along with me using these settings. You can scale your image a bit here. Then add the explosion and use the Ultra key effect to remove the green background. Scale the explosion. Now add the audio and trim the silences. Use Alt plus left click to copy the explosion and paste it multiple times. You can use markers to animate the image appearing. I'm too lazy to explain this part in detail, so just try to follow along. But honestly, it's not necessary. Use the I and O keys to set the in and out points of the video you want to render. Press Ctrl plus M to export your video. Use these settings and select a folder to save your video. Done. Now let's do it on the phone in CapCut. Upload all the prepared files into your CapCut project. Upload your generated image. Then press the Sounds button and upload your voice track. Hold the track to move it to the beginning of the project. Stretch the image to match the duration of the voiceover. Add an entrance animation to the image. Then in the Effects tab, find Explosion. And add it to the project. Stretch it across the whole timeline. Tap Export in the top right and download your meme. Use this music when uploading the video to TikTok. Let's see the result.
Platypus bus bus bus! Questo ornitorinco sos sta portando I piccoli anatroccoli a scuola proprio dentro di sé. Sì, 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 sì! Ecco quanto è bravo l'ornitorinco, un tipo davvero in gamba. Ama davvero i bambini, ma è sterile anche lui. Lui e la sua moglie ornitorinco stanno cercando di avere un bambino da 3 anni. Purtroppo però, perché? Perché il mondo è così ingiusto. Un ornitorinco può avere figli solo se si sottopone a una costosa operazione per 10 milioni di grivna in Ucraina, ma non può trovare un lavoro ben pagato perché non ha finito l'università. No! Speriamo che l'ornitorinco bus possa avere dei piccoli ornitorinchi prima o poi.
Subscribe to the channel if this was helpful.